Here at Miners Falls, climbing down to it. It's right over there. It's getting pretty loud, pretty wet. The trail's not really much of a trail. I'm making it. It was beautiful. So beautiful. Leaving Miners Falls. Moss covered hillside here. Cedar and a old birch tree. Birch might be dead. I'm headed back to the parking lot. Gonna make some coffee. A few stairs to go and then 6.6 miles and I'm back. And then I think I'm on to the Chapel Loop, which is it's a 10-mile hike. I think there's a couple waterfalls along the way. We'll see. Here at Miners Falls, you can hear them now just up there in that opening. A little boardwalk. Still some wildflowers in here. Starting to become more pines, it looks like. Must be a little poor soil. Pines generally do good in pretty poor soil. Pretty foggy, so we'll see how much of the waterfalls we can actually view. I don't know if you can hear them. I can. Got one trail down there to get lower. Check this one out though. There they are, Miners Falls. Really flowing today. Foggy. Foggy, foggy, foggy. Pretty beautiful. Head down here. I'm the only one here, surprisingly. Pictured Rocks. Pretty popular destination. Guess it is still early. It's about 8 o'clock here. I was gonna wake up a little earlier, but slept through my alarm somehow. Here we are. Really flowing. Now there is a trail down there. It looks pretty rough right now. I don't think I'll try that trail. Beautiful falls though. Wow. The fog. Really foggy, I don't know if you can tell. The street's getting all wet from the spray. Beautiful. Now I forget what these things are called, but I know they're pretty rare. People make all kinds of expensive furniture out of them. Those things right there, they make bowls and tables. I guess the wood's pretty valuable when they do that. Never seen one that big. That's pretty cool. Big oak tree. A lot of oak in here, it looks like. I think it's the red oak because it doesn't have the round leaves. A lot of big ones. Forest is starting to clear away here. There's a valley on the left. A valley over there too. Wildflowers are still here. Lots of birds. These wildflowers just cover this whole section. Looks like a little more sun gets in here. They just blanket the forest. Got some weird fungi growing on trees out there. And that dead one right there. Growing right on the side. I think I've seen that before on birch trees. I got a photo of a flicker digging out its home in a birch tree. And it had little mushrooms like that all around it. It's pretty cool. Photos on Facebook somewhere. These wildflowers aren't letting up. There's a lot of them. Wow. Some more fungi. It kind of looks like a chicken of the woods, maybe? I don't know. Definitely not going to eat it because I have no idea. Pretty big tree. It's an oak tree. Something did some damage to it. Miners Falls. Pretty excited about that. Probably about halfway there now. It said 0.6 miles, so it's not too far. Here at Miners Falls. 0.6 miles ago. Got a whole bunch of these wildflowers. I seen some driving in too. A few different varieties here, I know that. The ones driving in were a lot prettier, but I didn't stop. I think this trail is fairly flat. Not too bad of a hike at all. A lot of birds out. More wildflowers in there. It's part of the cycle. Trees die, woodpeckers, everything else comes. More trees regrow.